Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today I'll show you how to uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard. If you're ready, as the first step, type Control Panel into the search bar and open it. Then click Uninstall a program. Find Riot Vanguard in the list that opens. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Click the Yes button. You can now close this page and return to your desktop. Next, run the Riot client to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Then, click on the icon of the Riot Games game you have installed on your computer. To fully reinstall Riot Vanguard, simply click the Update button. After installing Riot Vanguard, don't forget to restart your computer. Otherwise, the game won't launch. I hope this tutorial video on how to uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard was helpful. Please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.